Welcome to the in front of me Motorola G71 5G, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and launch the Gmail application. Now here on the right upper corner, right up here on the right upper corner, you can check that we're logged into two accounts at the same time. And just to log out from one from this account, you should tap here to the manage accounts on this device, and as can see, we just launched the Google account settings. Just to remove one from these accounts, or just to log out from one from these accounts, for example from the first one, you should tap there once and just tap here to remove account and confirm by click here again. And as can you see, we stay here in Google account settings only with one account, and now we'll just go back to the application and we'll check. As can you see, we just stay in application on with one account, and we are logged out from the Gmail account on this device. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.